Good day guys, if you need to update your address on Etoro, this is the guide for you. So you can see we have a very simple tutorial on the official Etoro website. It's just so simple, only takes a few steps. So open up the Etoro website, open the Etoro website on a desktop browser and log into your account. Click on your profile icon in the top left and go to settings. From the left-hand menu, select account and then click on personal information. Since address details are locked after verification, you'll need to contact Etoro support to request an update. Go to the Help Center, click Contact Support, and submit a ticket. Explain that you need to update your residential address and attach a recent proof of address document like a utility bill or bank statement dated within the last 3 months. Once reviewed, Etoro will confirm the update via email, usually within 1 to 2 business days. And that's how you update your address on Etoro. Like and subscribe for more Etoro tips and other services tips as well, and I will see you soon.